Allah! Allah! Demir bile zikrullah'a dayanamadı, imana geldi.
Okay, so let's explain this sentence. First, I will read it. Demir bile zikrullah'a dayanamadı, imana geldi. Which means, I'm going to give the general meaning and then explain each word alone. So even the iron could not stand the name of Allah or mentioning Allah and came to faith, which means the iron even believed. Now, demir means iron. This is as it is. Demir means iron. Bile, even. Bile, even, and we use it a lot. Zikrullah, it's the same as in Arabic dhikrullah, which is the mentioning of God, the mentioning of the name of God. Dayanamadı, which means could not stand. İmana geldi. Now, iman is the faith. This I colored it in purple, is the word to. When I want to say to school, I say okula, which means this A is to. Same here. Imana, iman is the base word. A is the to word. To iman, to faith. Geldi, came. Geldi, gel is come. Geldi, came. So this D is the past. Geldi. It's geldi, but we don't say while reading or while saying this word, we don't say geldi. No, geldi. Again, let's listen to the sentence and try to repeat as much as we can and memorize the words. Of course, he is speaking fast, but when you rewind the sentence on and on and on, you will be as fast, inshallah.
Demir bile zikrullah'a dayanamadı, imana geldi.